everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, are you someone who feels like Monica in Barbados? Now, since the rains have settled in, it has completely made the air moist, humid and perfect for frizzy hair. Being unable to keep a clean, proper hairstyle tops the list of many problems faced by frizzy hair in the monsoon season. Let's understand how and why our hair turns frizzy as soon as the humidity is palpable in the air, and what all we can do in order to tame the frizziness during monsoon season. The science behind frizzy hair is quite literal. Our hair is extremely sensitive to hydrogen, which is in the air, which comes along with rainy season. So as soon as the monsoon is settled in, as soon as the rainy season begins, our hair absorbs all the hydrogen which is there in the atmosphere, and which is why the cuticles of our hair fibers swollens and the hair length becomes a little shorter because it either curls or folds back, which is why frizziness hits. Now we've understood why frizziness affects our hair the first as soon as the monsoon season hits. But we also need to be able to manage the frizziness. So we need to understand what all we can do in order to tame or at least control the frizziness in our hair during rainy season. First and foremost, avoid dry brushing. So usually we have this habit of just detangling our hair because it's frizzy, but stop dry brushing. If you have to brush, take your hairbrush, put some hairspray on it and then brush it. Or maybe just take some hair serum, apply it just like this on your hair strands and then brush, because that's going to just control the frizziness. And if you're dry brushing, the friction will cause more frizziness. Another thing that I really follow is be gentle with your hair. Don't tie your hair too tight in the form of buns or ponytails. Instead, let them loose or open. Also, the idea during monsoon is to stay natural in terms of your hair. Refrain yourself from any sort of chemical treatments or hair straightening, smoothing, curling, etc. because that's just going to make your hair more brittle, more prone to frizziness, and then hair fall can happen. You will lose a lot of hair because your hair will become very brittle at that time. So stay natural. Never let your hair get drenched in rainwater. No matter how nice and romantic it may seem in films, but it is good only till that level, because if you drench your hair in rainwater, it will just damage your hair and your hair will just become more dry and lose natural moisture. Most important tip is to add a keratin-rich hair care routine, because keratin is something which controls the frizziness and also makes your hair healthier and lustrous. I really like using the BBlunt Advanced Smoothing Shampoo and Mask because that's the best bet during rainy season. This controls your hair frizziness up to 7 times in just one single wash, and this will also keep your hair smoother and naturally straight for almost 72 hours. Apply the BBlunt Advanced Smoothing Shampoo on damp hair. Gently massage and then rinse thoroughly. Then apply the BBlunt Advanced Smoothing Keratin Hair Mask. The hair mask comes with a nozzle tube which makes the application very easy, focusing primarily on mid-lengths and ends. Make sure to keep it on for at least 10 minutes before rinsing off. It is enriched with the smoothing power of keratin that keeps your hair soft and straight. It is also infused with hyaluronic acid, which smoothens the tresses without weighing them down. The best part is that this has this amazing shine tonic which gives your hair a spectacular salon-like shine. So you only need 10 minutes and you can get softer, smoother, shinier hair for almost 72 hours. If you don't believe me, try it for yourself. And this range is also SLS and paraben free. Luckily, I have a 20% coupon code for you all to be used, which will be mentioned here on the screen and in the description box as well. And I'm gonna link it down below. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, and their official website wherein the 20% coupon code is applicable, so you can check it out.